Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get active developer badge on Discord, right? So first of all, you have to make a server, and if you have already did it, then left top corner, you will see this icon. Then just go to the server setting here, right? And just scroll a little bit down, and in the community section, you will find this option of enable community, right? So here you have to just click on get started, right? You have to just check mark this. I will just click on the next, right? Once you will do it, again click on the next and just finish this up, right? And after finishing setup, right, you will just wait for a few seconds here. Now you have to go to a website which is basically bot cost, right? And just hit the enter and you will find this option, right? Just go to here in this website, and on the top right side corner you will see this option which is called create a bot, right? Once you click on it, you have to give the authorization, right? And after giving the authorization, just wait for a few seconds till it get, right? And here it will ask a bot token which we don't have, right? So we have to create it. So click on the Discord developer portal, right? And after that you will go to a new window, and basically this is new application, right? And I will write here Itachi, right? And just by clicking, I will click on create, and here you can just reset each and everything, right? And just scroll a little bit down, and here in the privilege gateway intents, right, you have to just on this toggle right below everything, and just click on save changes. Now here just go to the reset token and just click on yes to it, and here you will get this code. Basically I will delete in the future, so no need to use this one, but you can generate your own. And after that just click on copy. Now again you have to just go to this window, and this is your basically a bot token, so just paste it here and click on create a bot. Just click on the next, right? This is a basically tutorial, and you can join the server, right? So basically after joining the server, you will get a more access to their everything, new features and everything, right? Now here in the left side, you will see a lot of options. So basically just scroll a little bit down and you will find this active developer badge. So basically this should be already turned on, but if it is not, then you have to turn it on. Now here just go to the invite, and basically you can invite this bot to your server, right? You can see I've already selected it, and just click on continue and authorize. And again I have to just verify it that I am human, right? And I will just verify this, and after that it will be in your server. So in this way you can just get a developer badge over your Discord, and it's very easy. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next video.